Welcome to the Gorilla 6 video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn about saving global groups and activating globals. When you create a global for your budget in the local global screen, you are creating a global for the budget that you are currently in only. Let's check that. I'm going to create a global here called R4 Art Department Rate with a rate of 300. Notice that there is no group attached to this global rate. If I want to use this rate in the budget, I can do so. I'm going to go to the Art Department category of my budget and select the global for rate and select R4. In global groups, you will not see that rate attached to any group. If you create the global here, in the Crew Global group, it will be attached to this group. Let's say that you want to attach that R4 rate to the Crew group. You can do so by going to the Local Groups screen and then selecting this button here, which will copy this global to a group. Select the group. Now, if you go to the Global Groups screen, you will see the R4 rate attached. Let's save this global group to a file. Select the Save button for the group. Automatically, the group is saved in the My Globals folder. Let's check. Hide Gorilla and go to your desktop. Find the Saved Budgets folder and then the My Globals folder. And here is the saved global group file for the Crew Global group. Now, you cannot double-click this file. It will not properly open the file. Next, we're going to launch a different budget and load these globals from the Crew Global group into that budget. I'm going to select a different budget from the project manager. When I click on the Globals button in the toolbar, I am automatically taken to the Global Groups screen. To activate all the globals in the Crew group into this budget, select the Activate Group button. These globals are now available to use in the current budget. Let's check. Select a detail line item and then select the Global button for the rate field and select a rate. Now, it is important to note that if you change the value of a global in local globals, for example, R3 from 300 to 400, it will of course filter throughout your budget. However, it does not change the value in the saved group. Let's check that. So understand the difference between local globals, the globals that are loaded into the current budget, and the saved global groups. Lastly, if you saved your global group to the My Globals folder, you can always load that group into any copy of Gorilla. That wraps up this lesson. Have a great shoot.